What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we are at Three Sister Trailhead, about to go for a hike. I hope at the end of the hike there's three sisters waiting for me. Be nice. Cheers. we found the perfect spot for a trail beer. We're off the trail on a nice little covered table. Sitting down, we are having from Aspen Brewing Company, Aspen, Colorado, the Seasons Blonde. I didn't know blondes were seasonal. It's a gusher. Delicious. See you guys back on the trail. All right, up we go. Still got my trail beer. Not bad. It's not hitting right today, but it's all good. Whoop. You're welcome. Almost getting ran over by cyclists. What the hell, man? We're not even, I don't even know what trail we're on. Like Delaney or something, I don't know. Dingle Trail. We'll figure it out at editing. Here's the school zone. Here's a sidewalk. What the hell kind of hike is this? Ducks, quack quack. Pretty lake though. Ooh, good view over there. That's nice. Well, hopefully we find our way back on the trail. My goodness, this is just odd. Weirdest hike I've ever been on. That looks like fun. Like, but we're still weirdest hike of my life. Very bizarre. But we're gonna find a trail, and then we're gonna find the vehicles. Yeah. Oh my goodness, we found ourselves a trail, but then we found ourselves Evergreen High School too. Giddy up. All right, finished whatever the hell that was. Started out as a hike, and then it became like a walk around the freaking reservoir, and then we walked all the way back up this road. Oh, I'm exhausted. I'm hurting. I'll see you guys wherever Tracy and I decide to get food. Cheers. All right, we are back in, well, civilization, even though you saw plenty of civilization from the hiking video. Weird, huh? But we're at Lariat Lodge Brewing Company in Littleton, Colorado. I've got the Hefeweizen. Tracy is not partaking in alcohol this month, so she's partaking in Partake. Don't recommend it. It's kind of funky, but yeah, good beer here. Gonna get some Euro, munch on that, but yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this up here. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the trails. Bye.